One of the biggest issues with cryptocurrency and blockchain right now is that people just frankly don't get it. They don't understand what it is, how it works, and there's a lot that goes into really understanding these things. Now, Bitcoin is actually going to college. Now, what I mean by that is Texas A&M is actually offering cryptocurrency courses that are going to help skyrocket development and adoption of cryptocurrency. Now, these courses are going to be offered to its 74,000 students, and it's going to be taught by Associate Professor Korik Ray of Mays Business School. Now, this is going to be the Bitcoin Protocol course, and it actually began January 17th. Now, with this programming Bitcoin course, they're going to follow the Bitcoin protocol, and students will learn to actually build a Bitcoin library from scratch. They're actually going to learn to use the different programming languages to build blockchain technology. This is actually a very big thing because if you think about it, in years past, this just wasn't out there. Most people had to learn on their own or had to know somebody privately to teach them. Now that this is becoming a more prevalent thing, we're seeing it, across many different colleges. This could become the key to adoption. Understanding is one of the keys to adoption. This high quality education has been lacking for quite some time, but now it is becoming more and more easily accessible. Jeez, I can't talk. Now, some of the other universities out there that do offer cryptocurrency and courses do include Harvard University, Massachusetts Institute of Technology or MIT, Oxford University, National University of Singapore, Cornell University, and University of Berkeley or University of California, Berkeley. So some very renowned colleges and universities. And this will begin to extrapolate as time goes on. You'll start to see more colleges adopting this sort of technology as it really does get adopted into our everyday life. And this is happening more and more as time goes on. But I appreciate you guys as always. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, make sure you show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.